Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where the future is built one project at a time. Today, we're giving you 10 innovative, practical, and resume-boosting project ideas every computer science student should explore in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or final year student, these ideas span AI, blockchain, IoT, cybersecurity, and more. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because building the future starts here. Project 1. AI-powered health chatbot. Design a chatbot that offers first-level medical advice using NLP and a basic symptom database. Use Python, Dialogflow, and OpenAI APIs. Would you trust a bot for initial diagnosis? Drop yes or no in the comments. Project 2. Virtual attendance system with face recognition. Use OpenCV plus facial recognition to mark attendance automatically. Want us to create a tutorial on this one? Like this video. Project 3. Personal finance tracker with ML budget predictions. Build a cross-platform app that tracks income, expenses, and uses machine learning to predict budgets. Would you use it? Vote in the poll on screen. Project 4. IoT Smart Home Control Panel. Use Raspberry Pi or ESP32 to control lights or a coffee machine with voice or app commands. What would you automate first? Tell us in the comments. Project 5. Blockchain Certificate Generator. Create a platform that issues digital certificates stored on the blockchain using Ethereum and smart contracts. Want to stand out? Build this for your department. Project 6. Secure File Sharing Web App. Design a file sharing platform with end-to-end encryption. Lost data using public tools. Like this video if privacy matters. Project 7. AI Resume Analyzer. Build a tool that scores resumes based on job descriptions using NLP. Would you upload your CV to an AI reviewer? Tell us below. Project 8. Emotion Detection System. Detect user emotions using facial or voice data in real time. Which emotion should your project focus on first? Drop it in the chat. Project 9. Real-time code collaboration platform. Build a collaborative editor using WebSockets where students can co-code. Would you use this over Google Docs? Like if yes. Project 10. Smart Disease Prediction Web App. Input symptoms, run ML models, and suggest conditions. Want a GitHub starter pack? Comment predict. Bonus ideas: AI, interview coach, crypto tracker app, food expiry alert device, mindfulness app, student social network. Which bonus project should we make a tutorial for? Tell us. From AI bots to blockchain tools and IoT smart homes, these projects will not only boost your resume, they'll make you a creator of the future. Which project are you most excited to build? Drop the number below. Like, subscribe, and share this with your classmates, team, or tech club. This is Health and Technology TV, where code becomes creativity and tech meets purpose.